Hayi bafethu, we back bafethu, izoboy simthembile bafethu. But I'm starting to believe now that you won't go to court with Ramaphosa and come back with a win. Hi, the guy doesn't lose in court bafethu. I'm starting to believe now that the guy is the darling of white monopoly capital. Angeke. So Brendan Nell has written an article here. It says Ramaphosa wins interdict against impeachment committee. So Ramaphosa is winning the interdict. President Cyril Ramaphosa has been granted an interdict suspending the work of Parliament's impeachment committee. This one, this one is very, very fish. I'm telling you, the courts did protect him on this one. The Western High Court granted the interdict on Friday, ruling that the committee cannot go ahead until his challenge to the independent panel report is decided. That report, drawn up by a panel chaired by former Chief Justice Sandile Ngcobo, found Ramaphosa may have a case to answer over the theft of foreign currency at his Phala farm. Yo. And Justice Zondo again, Ramaphosa best buddies. That Judge Enrile Grange delivered the order. Pending the determination by this court of the applicant's review, the first and second respondents are interdicted from proceedings with public impeachment hearing in terms of one of the National Assembly rules, he said. He said the cost of the application would stand over determination by the court hearing the review. The judgment was not unanimous with the grant, indicating that the second of the judgment delivered was the majority judgment. The report Ramaphosa is challenging is the reason he is before the committee, and his review of it is set down from September 2 to 4. The matter was heard over 2 days last week by a full bench of Lagrange, Matthew Francis and Diane Davis, who reserved judgment. Advocate Wim Trengov for the president had argued that putting him through a public inquiry before the report was tested in court risked doing him an injustice that could not be undone. Ah, sugar. The guy is doing injustice to the citizens of the country. Hey. To think that these people, the way they win the case of Jacob Zuma, to think now they protecting your high as white monoculture. They have no shame, Baba. When you are with them, they will protect you against all odds. They have no shame, these people. And they think we are all blind and fools. Opposition parties oppose the bid, calling it an attempt to buy time. Obviously, it's buying time, this fool. And this time is almost over. The committee had refused to wait for the ruling meeting on Wednesday to work through its draft terms of reference and to narrow its list of candidates to lead evidence against the president. Chairperson Makashule Ghana said the committee would carry on until the court told it otherwise. Ghana said the president-owned council had told the court to the committee's work so far was preparatory. That included appointing evidence leaders, preparing witnesses, and finalizing the terms of reference, none of which the interdict sought to stop. The matter reaches this point after the Constitutional Court found in May that the National Assembly had acted unlawfully in December 2022 when it shelved the Ngcobo panel report. They do this thing on purpose, man. It found prima facie evidence that Ramaphosa may have breached the constitution and anti-corruption legislation over his handling of the February 2020 theft at his Limpopo game farm. What were dollars doing under a mattress? And when people say it's a what, mama, those dollars, Ramaphosa, they bought Ramaphosa with those dollars, the Americans. The guy was bought with those dollars, I'm telling you, man. The dollars were for to keep quiet during the COVID 2020. The dollars were for COVID, I'm telling you. Keep quiet. Yeah, we move on the COVID situation. The guy was bought. So that's why he cannot explain with he bought the Buffalo, he bought what. He cannot explain because they bought him. The establishment, they bought him. Ramaphosa is always denying any wrongdoing, obviously. The ANC used its majority in 2022 to vote the report down. A decision in Apex Court has since reversed. Parliament adopted new rules last month to govern the 31 member committee's work. Obviously, the ANC Ndoda is protected all of their corrupt leaders. Obviously, that's what they're good at. They're good at nothing else but to protect one another. Hey, Bafethu. So what do you think, Bafethu? You think these are good news? Good news for Ramaphosa, bad news for the country. Because the guy needs to be gone ASAP. He's doing nothing for the country. He's bleeding the country dry. Yo, aye, aye, aye. You can't be worse than Mr. Jacob Zuma, bruh. And the guy is beaten that. Yo, aye. Anyway, Buffett, please like Buffett, please subscribe. This is your boy Sim Temple, Buffett.